Hello everyone, welcome back to another review. Today we are reviewing PowerSmart's 17-inch 3-in-1 lawnmower. This is a 40-volt mower. If you guys are into specs, you can pause the video right here for more information. Okay guys, some accessories. We have our PowerSmart bagger. So this will collect your leaves and your grass if you want to go that route. You have your 40-volt battery, which does have a battery indicator letting you know how much power's left. We're going to actually go ahead and charge that up. And you have your charger right here, your side discharger. You have two keys. We'll talk about those keys in a little bit because you need those keys to start the mower. So here's the difference just for fun. This is PowerSmart's 80-volt battery. This is PowerSmart's 40-volt battery. So we're going to be charging this one up. Now this one flashes a little differently. When it's flashing red, it means it's charging. When it's red and green flashing together, it's the temperature is too low or too high. When it's green, it's charged. So we're going to let that charge up while we assemble the mower. So assembly is super quick and super easy. First off, you want to open up the bar here. So you want to lay the bar out like this. You're going to put two bolts down, right, one in here and one right in here, which they supply you in your bag. So if you take a look at your little bag that came with the manual, you're going to see your two bolts inside here. And now for the handlebars, you're going to line them up and then you're going to twist those red little caps on the side. Now this is very important. You want to lift up and place in your safety key. Your safety key must be in for the unit to actually turn on. If you don't have that key in, it's not going to turn on. Okay, for turning on the 40-volt mower, what you want to do is you want to press in first. So press the button in first. A little hard to do with one hand. But press the button in first and then squeeze both side handles and it will turn on. I don't think we can do it with one hand, but we can try. There we go. You can adjust the front cutting height right here, and you can adjust the back cutting height right here. It has a run time of about 40 minutes on a single charge, which can cut 1/3 of an acre of grass. It's easy to use with push button start, low noise, minimum assembly required, no gas, no emissions, no maintenance. 17-inch steel deck with commercial grade steel. Top 3 600 RPM brushless motor built to last long. It has multiple functions which can mulch, side discharge, and rear bag discharge. 5 height position, so it can cut at 5 different heights. I don't know how well on camera you're going to see the lines. But it's cutting really well. You can see it better up here where it's taller. It is super lightweight. So yeah, you can see the line like right in here. So my final thoughts are, I have no complaints. It cuts good. And that's without even sharpening the blade. Here you can see the difference a little bit. You can see how tall it is and then cut. Yeah, I mean, the only thing I would recommend is maybe sharpen the blade. Now, keep in mind, when you are mowing, let's see if I can find any examples. There might be here, like some spots where there's gonna be grass still sticking a little higher. Make sure you run your line. I don't know how well this is gonna show up on camera. When you're mowing, keep your wheel on the cutted section. So you see the front wheel, you see how I kind of have it. You can see right there's the tall grass line right here. I have the wheel to the left of the tall grass line. That will ensure that you cut evenly. If you drive on the tall grass, you're gonna leave like a line of tall grass. So just a little tip, but I'm very impressed.